Welcome back. Today we'll talk about how to add image on the web page. We use image tag to add and display image on the web page. HTML image tag is empty tag that contains only attributes, and the closing tag are not used in HTML image element. Most important attributes of image tag are source and alt attribute. Source attribute describes source or path of the image, and location of image can be on the same directory or another server. And alt attribute defines alternate text for the image if for some reason user can't see image on the page. Value of alt attribute provides additional information about image. Height and width attributes are optional, and with these two attributes we can define height and width of the image. Before we create image tag, let's create images folder and add some image. First, let's create images folder. And to add image inside the folder, we can simply drag and drop image from destination inside the images folder. And now we can create image tag. Okay, let's create image tag. And here you can notice that image tag doesn't have a closing tag. First attribute we need to add is source attribute. And inside the source attribute we're gonna specify a path of the image. So we need to specify first name of folder, and name of folder is images, and name of image. Also for image we can add height and width attributes. First let's define height attribute, and let's say height is 200 pixels, and for width also is 200 pixels. Okay, let's save file. And now if we reload page in the browser, we can see our image inside the web page. If user for some reason cannot see image inside the web page because, let's say, connection is slow or path of the image is not correct, in that case we should set some text, and this text will be displayed instead of image, and for that we use alt attribute. We can test this behavior by changing path of the image. And here I'm gonna change the path of the image. And obviously path of image now is not correct. Now we can define some text inside the alt attribute. But first we need to add alt attribute. And here we can define some text. And now we should see this text we defined inside the alt attribute on the web page instead of image. Let's save file and reload page in the browser. And now you can see that we have text instead of image inside the web page, and this text we defined inside the alt attribute. And the last we will learn today is how to use image as a link. To use image as a link, we need to put image tag inside the anchor tag. First, let's create anchor tag. And now we can put image tag inside the anchor tag. And let's delete this additional text inside the source attribute, because we want to display image properly. And now when we click on this image, we want to display some specific page. This page we need to specify inside the href attribute of anchor tag. First, let's create href attribute, and here we can specify some specific page. Okay, let's save changes and reload page. And now if we click on this image, we should be redirected on the page we specified inside href attribute. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.